How to integrate payment gateway in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate any payment gateway on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you get to log into your Shopify account, and here at the left side you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you get to click on settings. So once you click on settings, you will be redirected to an interface like this. So what you're going to do is click on payments over here, and then you get to click on any payment providers. So providers that enable you to accept payment methods at a rate set by the third party. An additional fee will apply to new orders once you select a plan. So you can simply select a plan and click on choose a provider. So once you click on choose a provider, there is a beta for testing bogus gateway. If you wish to check that, you can simply click on it and check about the gateway. However, if you wish to add any other provider, you can simply click on it. For example, I'm going to click on this one, and then you can give it a read and about the debit cards of PayMob. Now, other thing is that you can simply go back and you need to download the provider of your relevant card, and then you get to click on add payment method, and then you get to search. For example, I'm going to search for Visa, and then you can type in Visa. And here you can see that there are 37 providers that offer this payment method. Ocean Payments, Split It, and Ping Pong. You can simply click on Ocean Payment or any of it. I don't really recommend you to use Ocean Payment. It just depends on you. And then you get to click on install, and you can even also contact provider. For example, I have clicked on install for this, and then you can click on install, because this app needs to access your personal data and also view and edit store data. So simply click on install, and once you do so, you'll be redirected to the Ocean Payment website, which is the global digital payment solution providers. So you're going to type down your terminal, credit card, and secure code over here and save that. So that's just so simple, and that was basically how you can add payment gateway on Shopify. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.